Hey, are you looking for a good quality gadget from Aliexpress? I have fixed the cool gadgets of their high percentage selling rate, demand, and customer rating. All the links of the gadgets are in the description below the video. Subscribe on my channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. This video is sponsored by couponsview.com. Here you will find all flash deal offers and coupon discount codes from various popular e-commerce sites like Aliexpress, Amazon, and others. You will get the link in the description box. So let's start the video. And at number 10, the gadget is Rosou Mini Heating Coasters. Recently this mini heater price, $15.76. This is an 18-watt low-power, safe, and energy-saving thermostat coaster. It takes almost no time to warm 8.5 cm wide heating plate diameter. It gives rapid heat conduction and temperature rise. It has a bottom gravity sensor switch, which automatically heats the water cup after it is placed on the coaster. The significance of the existence of this device is that you can always have the warmth held in the palm of your hand. In the power on state, the constant temperature is 55 degrees Celsius without cooling. It takes only 1% power of the household induction cooker. Continuous use of electricity for 2 or 3 days consumes only 1 kilowatt per hour. And at number 9, the gadget is JanSight Touchscreen Stream Dual Lens Video Recorder. Now its price is $46.89. The mirror dashcam provides crystal image and the best visual experience with the 10-inch and plane switching screen. Its 170 degrees wide viewing angle helps you clearly captures more details. Its rear camera covers the entire rear road and transmits the image to a 10-inch screen in real time. You will get no blind spot, no distortion of the image, which improves your driving. When a collision occurs, G-sensor automatically locks the video and cannot be overwritten, even if the loop recording function is on. Its front and rear cameras are equipped with a large aperture lens of frame 1.9, which greatly expands the range of light collection. And at number 8, the product is USB wired powerful computer speaker soundbox. Already this soundbox price is $18.65. It is a USB-powered, energy-saving, environment-safely, safe and reliable speaker. It has an independent metal volume knob that can power or off the device and easily adjust the volume. It is convenient to use. It has a blue LED light and classical appearance makes it beautiful and matches with the decoration style of your room. Its steady and lossless bass sound effect and stereo surrounding loudspeakers gives wonderful sound. It is perfect for desktop, laptop, TV, smartphone, tablet, PC, MP3, MP4, and more. It has 3.5mm audio plug. Frequency response range is 30 Hz to 15 kHz. And at number 7, the gadget is Drift Ghost XL Action Camera. Now, this camera price is $129.99. It gives 9 hours battery backup, which gives you the freedom to record full HD 1080 pixel all day without any worry. You can align your shot easily regardless of the mounting position by turning the lens up to 300 degrees. You can sync up to 10 Ghost X, Ghost X, and Ghost 4K cameras via Wi-Fi. Start recording on the camera and all cameras will start recording if you clone them. You can use Ghost X as a safety camera because it will record continuously when plugged into a power supply. When the power is cut, the recording will stop and save the last interval. And at number 6, the gadget is One GX1 Game Laptop. Now, its price is $840.99. It came from the team behind the One Mix 3 Pro Platinum. It is a versatile micro gaming laptop with a plethora of features. It has a powerful Intel Core i5 Amber Lake processor, Intel UHD graphics, 8GB low-power double data rate 3 RAM, 256GB non-volatile memory SSD storage, which provides extremely fast performance in all tasks. It has dimensions of 6.8 by 5.4 inches and a 7-inch in-plane switching display. The One GX1 provides stellar picture quality despite its size. It has Wi-Fi version 6, Bluetooth version 5, 12,000 mAh battery, which ensures seamless connectivity and stable longevity when you are on the go. It has new slide rail technology and an HDMI output. In number 5, the gadget Tic Watch Pro. Now, this watch prices $213.19. This is an upgraded version from Tic Watch Pro with 1GB RAM, which helps the watch run fast and smooth. It has a long life battery, which can give service of 2 to 30 days service in a single charge. The Smart mode will give 2 days battery life and the Essential mode will achieve 30 days of battery life. Services like 24-hour heart rate monitor, calories burn counter, speed and cadence monitor, Google Map are available in it. It has Tic Motion technology, which enables the watch to auto-detect running, fast walking without any operation on the watch, and built-in GPS. You can use Google Pay to purchase directly from your wrist without fumbling around for wallets. In number 4, the gadget Soundpeats, Truengine 3 SE True Wireless Earbuds. Recently this earbud prices $49.99. It has dual dynamic drivers in each earbud, which ensures resonant bass and crystal-like treble performance. It creates an immersive and melodious listening experience for you. It is provided with a high-tech Qualcomm 3020 chipset, featuring low power consumption and stable connectivity. The latest Bluetooth 5.0 stable transmission speed can be ensured anywhere. It has an advanced Qualcomm aptX codec that delivers hi-fi stereo sound and clear calls with noise cancellation. The charging case holds roughly 4 full charges. Each charge works for 6 hours. You will get 30 hours of playtime in total. They can be used separately after successful pairing. It can be used easily by the buttons. And at number 3, the gadget D-Life Portable Bluetooth Speaker. Now, its price is $21.25. It is a true wireless stereo speaker, which gives 3.5-hour playback time in medium volume. It has a phone holder system. It supports TF card and U-Disc music play. It has double enhanced wireless stereo sound performance. It can be connected from 10 to 15 meters away. It supports both WAV and MP3. It has a 18,650 Li replaceable battery. It is 400 grams in weight and has dual 1.57 inches internal magnetic speakers. Its band range of FM transmit is 87.5 to 108.5 MHz. It automatically connects Bluetooth devices while paired for once. It has FM radio, and its Bluetooth version is 5.0. And at number 2 the gadget Redragon H510, Zeus Wired Gaming Headphone. Already this gaming headphone price is $99.98. You can enjoy the real clear sound quality with 7.1 surround sound technology, which will make you be there on the scene. The 53mm drive unit offers a wider frequency range, richer sound fields, higher definition, and extreme fidelity sound. It is comfortable to wear and keeps your ear dry and cool. The detachable noise cancellation microphone will surely offer you wonderful communication between you and others. No more electric current sound boomed mic cases. All settings can be adjusted by one hand to meet different needs in any situation or problem, which makes it easy to operate. It has built-in USB control box and 3.5mm jack input. In number 1, the gadget App Smart Electric Scooter. Recently this electric scooter price is $455. You can take this excellent electric skateboard to ride easily in parks, highways, wilderness, and enjoy an amazing riding experience. They are committed to providing the best quality products for their customers. These skateboards are mainly made of aluminum alloy, which is extremely durable and brings you an excellent gliding experience and can travel 1,500 kilometers. It has 3 speeds that can be controlled by handle easily and has an LED screen to display driving data. You can connect your mobile phone through Bluetooth and app to achieve player interaction, can play mobile phone music. It has cool headlights, warning functions, and the backlight meets the needs of beginners, enthusiasts, and professional players. Don't forget to subscribe, and I request you please share this video.